Okay, so I just got in some of these pieces from the KBB collection from Target. I immediately also found like this Pinterest outfit that I was like, I need to recreate it. This is just like a regular white tee. It's oversized. It's actually nice and thick. It's just a good like boyfriend tee and I love it. I actually am obsessed with these shorts because like track pants are really in, that I feel like shorts are going to be also very in for spring and summer. They're super comfy. They're just like kind of a cool mom look. And then I threw a blazer over this look to kind of dress it up a little bit. In the picture, she wore a black blazer, but I thought this one was really fun to just like give a pop of pattern. But the part that kind of like threw me off and was like, we're just gonna try it anyways, is the socks with some flats. I found some like black flats that I had. They're not quite the same as hers, but I feel like they're kind of like a sneaker flat, which I think for me makes me more comfortable wearing it. Like I feel like this outfit would look good with like an Adidas sneaker. Added a red cap, some black sunnies, and then a black bag. What do we think? How did I do with the recreation? And is this a look that you would wear?